I'm friends with who I'm friends with.
Bam.
I don't like to force friendships.
Yes.
No, I think I'm the only one that is not on the group chat.
What?
Yeah, and once they approached me, I told them, no, I don't want to be.
Exactly. Egugu, be careful. Na expensive they go. Moto don't jam am. It don't happen. I don't tell her. It don't happen. I don't tell her. It don't happen. I don't tell her. It don't happen. Guys, it's been such a long time I sang this song, and I feel nostalgic singing this song again because the thing that is happening now just reminds me of the house and all the commotion and gbege that comes with the housemates. But this time around, this is real life. I say this is real life, but it's happening again in real life. Katrina seems to have a problem with Nengi or whatever. I don't know which of them get the problem, but then again, I say make I bring this gist come give on her. In this video, I'm going to be talking about three things. The first one is Katrina's problem with Nengi, and then the second one is Erica. You know, Erica had a deal with Mamado, and the third one is Nengi's launch in Abuja, the Jenny's Glow. But make I talk about the big problem when I know say happen. Before I go ahead and play the clip that I want you guys to see, Nengi was having a conversation in a particular garden where I believe our fans had organized for her. So they were talking about the fact that she and the housemates, what's going on. She seemed not to have so many friends, and in her words, she said, "I'm friends with who I'm friends with. As a matter of fact, I'm the only one who is not on the Bibi Naija WhatsApp group." And a lot of people were shocked, including me. I was a bit shocked because all of us will just did it. At the end of the day, only thing I go do for me, I go just exist. I no go post, I no go talk, I no go even read if I won't take them so far. I no even get interest in waiting they go for the group. But according to Nengi, she doesn't like wahala. In her words, I don't like wahala, so I like to keep my circle, just stay with my friends. But according to her, she said no bad energy. She just like to day her day. Guess who came and responded to that video? Now, she didn't come to the video and made a comment under it, but then she took it to her tweet. Katrina now took it to her tweet, and then this is what she had to say. Katrina said, "Wahala for who no like wahala. See you at the reunion 2021. Signed, Boss Lady." Then after she tweets this thing, she can't carry am go her story. Can't tag am under her story, say, "It's Monday, the energy is high. You knock and answer 100%. But before I move on to the next thing, somebody came and answered Katrina in this statement that she made. I mean, these are tweets that she made. The person said, "And you people are going to have the worst reunion ever if you can't settle your differences now before the reunion." That's childish though. Channel your energy into building your brand because reunion is 7 months from now. Don't just be posing for the gram. And so Katrina, come, energy, just like she said, the energy is high. That's how Katrina came. I'm the boss lady, never forget that. I can choose to vacate for complete 7 months and still pay my bills. She now did hashtag copy that. Guy, this energy high, I be no high. The energy high, I be no high. Guys, it looks like I'm always happy anytime trouble they happen. But the truth is, I never say I'm happy. You know, they sweet me. The only thing they sweet me, I say I like gist, and I like to bring gist, come give and see the hot. So that's why I say I should bring this gist to come and give to you people. Wait, see happen. What is the drift between Nengi and Katrina? See, till today, even me we watch that show from beginning to end, I still cannot comprehend what it is, because as far as I know, Katrina and Nengi did not have any confrontation. The only thing that I know that they had was that round table when everybody was speaking their mind about, "Oh, Katrina, you that you were humiliating us when we wanted to eat your food." Everybody had their own statement to make about the fact that Katrina was making them feel like they needed to literally honor her or worship her before she gives them food. And Nengi also made that kind of comment. Made that kind of statement when everybody was talking in the round table. But then, that is the only confrontation I can remember. After that time, and I remember when Katrina was talking to Ozo about the fact that, oh, Nengi is not good for him and all those kind of good stuff. But right now, I don't know what I don't speak Pidgin and English together. I don't know what caused the problem when Katrina and Nengi today they never settle. Their paths, they cross. Nothing they happen for their side. So I still make her bring this news, can't give on her. So I'm going to put the clip now. You watch the video and then, commensurate it with what Katrina had to say and why they are looking forward to the reunion. You see me as I did like this, me too. I'm looking forward to the reunion. As I dey here, I no feel wait. I no feel wait. My blood they hot because it looks like say people come, then they bring wahala. I know so what you there for? I'm here for that.
I want that. So like when they called me, approached me to be on it, I was mad, and I just knew I wanted to give it my best. Like I wanted to put, so even shooting it and they gave me the gun and said, I'm like, this is not really me. This is not
No, that's you just didn't know. You're a badass.
But I tried to just embrace the character and give it my best. And when it came out, when I saw it,
You're a badass.
I screamed. About the housemates thing, I'm friends with who I'm friends with. I don't like to force friendship.
Yes.
I think I'm the only one that is not in the group chat.
What?
Yes.
Yeah, and
Please do
once
you.
they approached me, I told them no, I don't want to be.
Thank you.
I don't see the need pretending or being in a space with people.
You are not like.
I don't like wahala.
Yes.
So if I know that this energy is not good for me, let me just stay.
Yes.
So, for me, it's just like I'm friends with the few people I'm friends
Yes.
with. And for the rest, there's no bad blood.
Yes.
There's no bad blood. I would never.
It's just for your
follow
peace of mind.
anybody Or, I really don't have anything against it. I'm too
Yeah.
busy.
We know.
I'm too busy for that.
Too busy making money.
So it's all love. It's
Yes.
all love. I just wish I wish we can actually. I feel bad sometimes that we're not, because all these things weren't there in the house.
No, you didn't know.
They're in the house.
You didn't know. You didn't know.
It was
You didn't
there.
know.
We were watching. We didn't know. For you. We dey pray every time.
We pray for you.
I haven't really sat down to watch the show.
You need to.
You are so busy.
So I don't really know much. It's just few things I care here and there. But for me, it's all love. It's all love. I'm cool with my friends.
You need to add me on WhatsApp. I will make you know everything. You need to know people you love to stay away from.
Yes, 100%.
Let me just quickly talk about what Erica said. So Erica randomly made a tweet at some point some few days ago, and she was like, I wish I can cook. I would really like to eat this pepper chicken and all those kinds of things. I shall be making those kind of tweets lately, you know, talking about cooking, talking about food. There was a time I saw that tweet where Kidboy came and responded that, oh, I beg you, Jare, go and learn how to cook. You know, they've been talking along the lines of cooking. So in one of her tweets, Mama Dog came and responded that if it's about this one, don't worry. Our official chef got you. So as I speak to you right now, Erica is in the kitchen with one of the chefs in Mamado. So the girl don't blow. As a star girl she don't blow. Now let's talk about Nengi's appearance in Abuja. At some point I thought to myself, I sure I no go for this thing. Like I just there around these people Nigeria housemates who don't blow. You know, having to watch them, having to talk about them, having to follow their lives every other day. It would be nice to just be around them, have a selfie with them, have a chat with them. I thought to go, but then again I said, me, I won't buy cream and be which one I won't go do there. I want to enter the place. Who know me, who don't know me, who I know. When I say I better make a sit down for my house. As a matter of fact, the place is even just a stone throw from where I live. But I said I beg, I know they go. But then I saw the video having Nengi and Ozo in the same place at the same time. You need to see the way people were cheering at them, shouting, screaming. It was really beautiful. And Nengi, of course, was looking stunning as always. So yeah, I thought I should bring this to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you need to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. See me, I don't need to do it. Guys, no need for plenty English. If you have watched me up until this point and you have not subscribed, you say check your hearts. Check your hearts. It's like there's something in your hearts. Subscribe. Thanks.